How to mute someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Log into your account and then click on the profile of the person you want to mute. After you've opened their profile, click on following. After you click on following, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on mute. After you click on mute in here, you will find these options. There are 3 options to mute, which is post, stories, and notes. After you have enabled it, simply go back and you're good to go. This is how to mute someone on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.